O. Platon. Subject, submission of documentary requirements for liga ng mga barangay president and recognition as ex officio member of the Sangguniang Panglungsod. Your Honor, I move to tackle this letter on the floor.
There's a motion to tackle the said resolution on the floor. Are there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, as for this letter, Your Honor, this representation was informed that on November 7, 2025, the punong barangays of the City of Manila held a General Assembly and voted to declare all of the positions in the Liga ng mga barangay vacant. Moreover, Your Honor, on 10 November 2025, this representation learned that the punong barangays comprising of the Liga ng mga barangay Manila chapter held an election and voted punong barangay Erica O. Platon as the new Liga ng mga barangay Manila chapter president with a vote of 844 out of 896 barangays, Your Honor. Considering, Your Honor, that the position of ex officio member here in the City Council should be held by a member, Your Honor, that truly represents their constituency, Your Honor, this representation is hereby submitting before the City Council a resolution acknowledging and recognizing punong barangay Erica O. Platon as the duly elected president of the Liga ng mga Barangay Manila chapter as ex officio member of the Sangguniang Panglungsod of Manila with full rights and privileges under law. Your Honor, I move to open the period of discussion, debate, and debate.
There's a motion to open the period of discussion, debate, and amendments. Are there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor.
Konsehal Abante.
Your Honor, question lang ho. Mga kagalang-galang ko kasama sa Sangguniang Panglungsod ng Maynila at sa ating presiding officer, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Meron na po akong isang napaka-importanteng katanungan. May kapangyarihan po ba ang ating City Council of Manila na tanggalin ang Pangulo ng Liga ng mga Barangay? At kung may bago mang darating na Pangulo ng Liga at masasabing dapat siyang kilalanin na siya na ang bagong halal na Liga ng Barangay President, ano ang dapat nating hanapin na katibayan? Hindi ba kailangan na certificate of confirmation galing sa National Liga? Hindi rin ba kailangan ng endorsement galing po sa DILG? Baka kailangan muna bago natin gawin lahat ng ito, baka kailangan muna tayong magtanong sa DILG bago tayo kumilala ng isang bagong miyembro ng Sanggunian. Maraming salamat po.
Consul Attorney Hizon.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. As far as I know, Your Honor, this duty is ministerial to the City Council. Again, Your Honor, the Liga themselves will pick their own officers, Your Honor. I believe, Your Honor, that the ex-officio member, the one that will represent the barangay chairmans, should be voted by the barangay chairmans, Your Honor. And I have here with me, Your Honor, which was also submitted together with the letter, a document pertaining to be a certificate of canvass and proclamation of the 2025 special elections wherein Erica O. Platon allegedly garnered 844 votes. I believe, Your Honor, 844 out of the 896 barangays is about 85%, Your Honor, of 92%, Your Honor, of the entire composition of the barangays of the City of Manila. I believe, Your Honor, that the barangay chairmen themselves will choose their members, Your Honor. That is why, Your Honor, this resolution is submitted before the Council.
Consul Abante.
Thank you, Your Honor. Again, this is not a question of the capability of everyone. Ang tanong ko lang ho is before we recognize the new officers of the Liga and as an ex-officio member, hindi ho ba may due processan kung saan bago natin i-recognize sa ating city, sa City Council natin, hindi ba dapat muna na i-recognize sila ng National Liga?
Consul Attorney Hizon.
Your Honor, if I may, Your Honor, as to the procedure, as to how this letter was presented to us, Your Honor, I believe, Your Honor, that question is better addressed to another forum, Your Honor. The City Council is not a court. We do not have the authority to rule as to the validity of any proceeding that occurred prior to this session, Your Honor. We are just here to recognize the will of the punong barangays of the City of Manila. Again, if there are questions as to the legality of this measure, Your Honor, that should be addressed to the proper forum and not before the City Council. The City Council is a collegial legislative body. We are not a court, Your Honor, and as such, Your Honor, I believe that this is ministerial on our part, Your Honor.
Consela Lacuna?
Your Honor. Again, I would like to state my objection. The majority floor leader said that there were credentials submitted by the from their election of the officers. So may I be submitted a copy? And also the resolution that will be passed today, recognizing the officers that were conducted illegally. So maybe I'd like to be presented a copy of the resolution and also of the elections held yesterday. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Secretary, please.
I will, Your Honor. I will
Majority
give her
Floor,
my
please
copy. I'll just take
send
a
her
picture.
a copy.
So,
Consela Bante?
thank you, Your Honor. Again, I give back my question. Hindi ho ba dapat ang unang i-recognize? Kasi hindi pa sinasagot eh. Hindi ba dapat una mo nang i-recognize? I'm not asking any legal procedures or anything. The question is, hindi ba dapat na i-recognize muna ng National Liga before we recognize the City Council, the new officers and the ex-officio members?
Consela Attorney Hizon?
Hindi ba dapat i-recognize muna ng
Well, then I believe, Your Honor, that we will be the one who will be submitting our roster to the DILG according to the will of the barangay chairman of the City of Manila, Your Honor. Nonetheless, Your Honor, I believe, Your Honor, that this council, Your Honor, should heed the will of the 844 barangay chairman who chose to have a new representative before the City Council. Again, Your Honor, we are talking about the representative of the barangay chairmans of the City of Manila. They are the ones who will approve whether or not they agree with the current representation or they will choose another one, Your Honor. And moreover, Your Honor, as for the rules, as to the internal rules of the Liga, Your Honor, this council is not bound by the internal rules of the Liga as we are not a member of the Liga ng mga barangay, Your Honor. And if there are any other query, Your Honor, I do not believe, Your Honor, that it is that question will be settled by debating right now, Your Honor. Again, Your Honor, I'm just asking, Your Honor, that the City Council and its members recognize the will of the 844 barangay chairman who chose to have a new representative before the City Council. The position of ex-officio member here as the representative of the barangay chairman should contain or should be held by a person that actually has the will of the barangay chairman, Your Honor. So I believe, Your Honor, that this resolution is proper and later I will submit it, Your Honor, to the council for a vote.
Okay, maraming salamat, Consela Attorney JB Hizon. Can I ask for this last
again,
point?
Okay. Again, we are not here for a debate and I am not here to question the capacity or the capability of the said new officers of the Liga. No? My only question is there's due process eh. Like our majority floor leader said, sabi naman niya na sila na magsasubmit sa DILG. Maybe we should do that first. No, maybe we should first submit to DILG, wait that the National Liga recognize the new officers, then we can recognize them also. Hindi po pwedeng unahan natin. Kailangan mauna muna yung proseso nila. Tama po ba ako?
Your Honor, if I may, Your Honor, that pre-connotes a notion that the National Liga will choose for the City of Manila who they will allow to represent them, Your Honor. I believe, Your Honor, that the ultimate judge on who will represent the barangay chairmans of the City of Manila will be the chairmans of the City of Manila, Your Honor. That is why, Your Honor, I move that we pass this resolution first and then refer the choice of the chairmans of the City of Manila to the National Liga if needed, Your Honor. Again, Your Honor, I believe that there are no other group of persons who can choose their leader aside from their constituency themselves, Your Honor. And in this case, Your Honor, there is no other groups of persons who can choose who will represent the barangay chairmans before the City Council aside from the barangay chairmans themselves, Your Honor. So with that, Your Honor, I move, Your Honor, that we end the period of discussion and debate.
Last lang, Your Honor.
Super last na to because we have so much to tackle today.
Thank you,
This
Your
is going to be our last, Consela Bante.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. I just want to put it on the record, my strong objection for this resolution. Thank you.
Okay. Consela Attorney JB Hizon, please proceed.
Your Honor, and with that, Your Honor, I move to end the period of discussion and debate.
There's a motion to end the period of discussion and debate. Are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I move to dispense with the period of amendments.
There's a motion to dispense with the period of amendments. Are there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
I move, Your Honor, to approve a resolution acknowledging and recognizing Punong Barangay Erica O. Platon as the duly elected president of the Liga ng mga Barangay Manila Chapter as an ex officio member of the Sangguniang Panglungsod of Manila with full rights and privileges under law.
There's a motion to approve the said resolution. Is there any second to this? It has been seconded by Consejal Sarcal, Consejal Fajardo, Consejal Joaquin Domagoso, Consejal Dr. Irma Alfonso, Consejal Nieva, Consejal June Ibay, Consejal C, Consejal Sia, Consejal Tan, Consejal Ignacio, Consejal Atienza, Consejal Lau, Consejal Attorney Quintos, Consejal Bagaching, Consejal Almiron, Consejal Castro, Consejal Juliana Ibay, Consejal Borromeo, Consejal Espiritu, Consejal Attorney Hizon, Consejal Veloso, Consejal Uy, Consejal Par, Consejal Castañeda, Consejal Mercado. Given that it has been duly seconded, are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is
Your
carried.
Honor, Your Honor.
I have ruled already,
Okay.
but go ahead.
Can we just have it noted, Lord, Your Honor, na kami po ni Councilor Ray Lacuna is strongly objecting to this resolution.
Noted.
Thank you.
Recess, Your Honor.
Okay. 1 minute recess is declared by the chair. While we are on recess, can I please call on the new Liga president on the floor? President, Konsehal Erica Platon, please say your speech. Bawal po mag-clap dahil ongoing na po ang session.
Magandang hapon po, Madam Tagapangulo. Unang-una po, magpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoong Diyos na nangyari kahapon, na nagbigay kaming gabay at matiwasay ang special election na nangyari kahapon po. At nagpapasalamat po ako kay Yorme Isko Moreno Dumagoso na palaging inaalagaan ang ating mga barangay chairman. Siyempre po sa inyo po, Tagapangulo, Madam, maraming salamat po. At higit sa lahat, sa mga kabaro ko na nagtiwala at bumoto sa 844 na chairman. Nagpapasalamat po ako at sa lahat po na tumulong. Maraming salamat po. Hindi mo ako perpektong tao, pero ito po ang masasabi ko, gagawin po namin lahat ng aking mga kasamahan na direktor ang aming makakaya sa Liga ng mga Barangay. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat sa ating bagong Liga President, Konsehala Erica Platon. Maari niyo na pong ma-occupy ang upuan para sa Liga President. 1 minute recess is declared by the Chair.